outer space. Y'all niggas can't keep up because y'all out of shape. Whenever it's time for me to go hard, I'm clutching both plays. If this your bitch, why she in my face? I'ma blow up here, then switch my state. I don't want no love, cause it come with hate. They start to act fake. Niggas swearing that they killers and never seen shit this way. I'm always on time, just got a new watch like yesterday. I'm too focused on grinding, going through all these spiritual stages, huh? Yeah, listen up, I want that new Bentley truck. I ain't even tryna flex, that's just something I really want. And they hard you down in that track. This shit all genetics inside my pack. Too much of a brand for me to be scrapped. I fit just like Phantom with all of this tax. I just been confused, really lately I don't know.